Thomas in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western White County in southeastern Illinois, Wayne County in south-central Illinois, northwestern Wabash County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, Edwards County in southeastern Illinois, northern Williamson County, Illinois, northern Saline County, Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, eastern Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 7:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Xenia to 7 miles south of Bluford to Carterville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Enfield, Woodyish, Mount Erie, Jeffersonville, Burnt Prairie, Muddy, West Frankfort, Spillertown, El Dorado, Shinn, Browns, Pittsburgh, Johnsonville, Hannaford, Golden Gate, Freeman Spurs, Craneville, Bone Gap, Dahlgren, and Energy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 52 and 69. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 90 and 126. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Franklin, Hamilton, Saline, Wabash, White, and Williamson. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 90 and 126. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Edwards, Franklin, Hamilton, Saline, Wabash, White, and Williamson.